Welcome to the assembly guide for Regal Plus, manufacturing by Dash Toys. Box include main body, front wheel, handle, footrest, seat, flute pipe, movement wire, basket, front mudguard, AXLE, rear wheels, parental handle, wheel cap, battery, hardware. Insert axle into the main frame. Insert the wheels on both sides into the axle. Secure the wheels with a washer and quarter pin. Cover both wheels with wheel cover. Repeat the same process on the other side. Place the front mudguard onto the fork. Insert the front fork into the main body. Insert the handle into the fork as shown. Open the cell cover using a screwdriver. Insert the batteries according to the polarity and close the cell cover. Insert the flute pipe as shown. Fit the movement wire into the fork. Secure the rear side of the movement wire with a nut. Place the seat onto the frame. Secure the seat with a nut. Place the basket on the rear side of the frame. Secure the basket with a nut bolt. Attach the hand grip to the main pipe using nuts. Secure the flute pipe with a screw. Insert the parental handle into the flute pipe. Secure the parental handle with a flower bolt. Insert the footrest as shown. Secure it with a nut and bolt. Your Regal Plus is all set and ready to use.